Hi, my dear students. Today we will discuss structure of heart. Say heart is very important organ in our body. It circulates blood to the different parts of our body. It is a pumping organ. We call it as a pumping organ. Here the lungs are the supportive organs to the heart. Here we will discuss the structure of heart, external structure of heart, internal structure of heart, nodal tissue, aortic arches. We will discuss here. Okay. Structure of heart. Here we'll discuss external structure of heart. First, the heart is made with your heart is covered with a walls. The wall which is, for example, our home. You take first, it is made with the walls. If there are no walls, there are no rooms. Like that, our heart constitute four chambers. In that is covered with the walls. Say that is the outer fibrous pericardium. Outer wall is outer fibrous pericardium. Inner serous pericardium. So again it is divided into, the inner serous pericardium is divided into outer serous, outer parietal layer, inner visceral layer. In between these two layers, there is a pericardial fluid that acts as a shock absorber. Pericardial fluid is present in between. This parietal layer is nearer to the, say, fibrous pericardium, and visceral layer is nearer to the heart. So here the visceral layer and the parietal layer, the visceral layer. So there will be the, again, the three walls are there. Pericardium, outer pericardium, middle myocardium, inner endocardium. So this is about the heart outer surface. So ikkada outer fibrous pericardium, inner serous pericardium. Again it is divided into outer parietal layer and the inner visceral layer. And the visceral layer again it is made with the three layers. They are the pericardium, myocardium, endocardium. Visceral layer is, say, nearer to the pericardium, myocardium and the endocardium. These are the three layers of the inner side. See, like this there will be the structure of what the wall is made with these layers. So next we will go to the, next we will discuss structure of heart, that is the external structure of heart. ఇలా హార్ట్ కిందకి తీసుకున్నట్లయితే the auricles are the atrium which appears like a bulged pouches. They are called auricular appendix అని అంటారు. బల్జ్డ్ పౌచెస్ లాగా మీకు కనిపిస్తే ఆరిక్యులర్ అపెండిక్స్ అని అంటారు వాటిని. Somewhat the heart is somewhat left, turned towards left, and here the heart is with the, is covered with layers. Somewhat it is the size of the heart is the clenched fist. మనం ఒకవేళ మన యొక్క ఈ ఫిస్ట్ పిడికిల్ని బిగిస్తే ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుందో ఆ విధంగా మన యొక్క హార్ట్ యొక్క సైజ్, ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ హార్ట్ క్లెంచ్డ్ ఫిస్ట్. సో హియర్ ద హార్ట్ has pulmonary నేను ఏం వేస్తున్నా దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్టర్నల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ హార్ట్ హియర్ ద ఇవి పల్మోనరీ వీన్స్ రైట్ పల్మోనరీ వీన్స్ లెఫ్ట్ పల్మోనరీ వీన్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ ప్రీ క్యావల్స్ this is first caval, this is the precaval, this is the post caval, this is the pulmonary arch and this is systemic arch so here these are covered with a layers outer fibrous pericardium, inner serous pericardium and so the auricles and ventricles are separated by auriculoventricular groove and interventricular groove. In this the coronary arteries are located in this interventricular groove and auriculoventricular groove. It supplies blood to the walls of heart. So this is the external structure of heart. Very easy. Systemic arch. These are precavals. This is postcaval. This is the interventricular groove. This is auriculoventricular groove and the auricles which appears like a bulged pouches, they are called the auricular appendix. So, okay, this is about the internal structure of heart lo ivi chupistam valves just meeku mention cheyadam kosam chupichanu. So this is the systemic arch. What is this arch? Systemic arch. This is about the external structure of heart, my dear students. I hope all of you understand. Again I will repeat. Say the wall of heart is made with outer fibrous pericardium, inner serous pericardium. It is divided into outer parietal layer, inner visceral layer. Again the visceral layer lo malli lopala 3 layers divide అవుతుంది. That is the pericardium, myocardium, endocardium. Say muscular, our heart is muscular pulsating organ. It is located mid-ventral, say mid-ventral side. Say that is the in the mediastinum. Say somewhat it say bends towards somewhat left and here the heart is made with the say walls of the heart is made with the different layers. Here it constitute the different arches and different, these are the pulmonary veins. Left pulmonary veins, right pulmonary veins. Left pulmonary veins and right pulmonary veins. This is about external structure of heart. Okay, my dear students, I hope all of you understand. Thank you. Note down this.